On the perpetual method, we do the same type of table, but we just have more steps in between. So what we'll do is we'll say, this is my opening inventory of 10 units at 10 Rand. And then you'll say 10 times 10 gives me 100. And then you'll put your first purchase down. I purchased 10 units at 12 Rand. So 10 units at 12 Rand. And then you'll say 10 times 12 gives me 120. Okay. When you're done with that, you now need to calculate a weighted average, which means after every time that you've made a purchase, you have to recalculate your weighted average because it will change with every purchase. So now you're going to say 100 plus 120 is 220. 10 plus 10 is 20. Then you're going to say 220 divided by 20 will give me my weighted average. That is your weighted average after the first purchase. And here in your details you can just write balance. When you are done with that, you carry on with your table. You now say my next transaction is a sale. So you put your sale over there. You've sold 5 units. It needs to be in brackets because you're subtracting the amount of units that you've sold. You'll bring down that weighted average which you've calculated there. Then you'll say 5 times by that gives me my total, which will be in brackets. After the sale, you draw a line. You say 20 minus 5 gives me 15. 15 times that weighted average will give you your total over there. After that sale, you'll notice that the next transaction on your table is a purchase of 10 at 13 Rand. You're going to put the purchase there and then you will recalculate the weighted average the same way you have done here. Okay, so that's the difference between the periodic and the perpetual for the weighted average cost of inventory.